Most people get sleep apps wrong by assuming they are just soothing sounds, but Hypnobox takes a completely different approach. The surprising truth? It combines guided hypnosis, personalized sleep programs, and deep relaxation techniques to actually help you fall asleep faster. When I tried Hypnobox, I was impressed by the onboarding process. You start by answering questions about your sleep patterns, stress levels, and sleep goals. This allows the app to create a tailored sleep program instead of offering generic audio tracks. Most people get this wrong by skipping personalization. They assume any audio will do. But sleep science shows customization improves results. The hypnosis sessions range from 10 to 40 minutes, designed to relax your mind and body progressively. Unlike typical meditation apps, Hypnobox emphasizes suggestion techniques that gently guide your subconscious toward better sleep habits. I noticed my time to fall asleep decreased significantly after a week of consistent use. In addition to hypnosis, the app provides sleep tracking and reminders. You can log when you go to bed, how rested you feel, and track improvements over time. This feature is often overlooked, but it's key to understanding your sleep patterns and adjusting routines accordingly. One standout feature is the ambient sound library. You can layer gentle background sounds with hypnosis sessions for a more immersive experience. Most people get this wrong by only using the audio alone. Combining both elements maximizes relaxation. The only downside is that the premium version is subscription-based. However, the cost is reasonable compared to sleep clinics or therapy, and the results for improved sleep quality can be significant. In conclusion, Hypnobox is more than just a relaxation app. It's a structured, science-based approach to better sleep. Most people get this wrong by underestimating the power of hypnosis combined with tracking and personalization. If falling asleep faster and sleeping deeper is your goal, Hypnobox is worth a try. Subscribe for more honest reviews on apps that actually improve your well-being and everyday life.